My name is Rupak, and I'm a musician, a music composer, and a guitar teacher. I've made an online guitar course to help anybody who doesn't know how to play guitar to get started. By the end of this course, you'll be able to strum, you'll be able to play a couple of chords, you'll be able to play some popular tunes, you'll be able to read guitar notation, you'll be able to do some plucking, you'll be able to play some bass notes, one thing to take note of is take your time with every lesson. Don't try to go too fast. Go slowly. Absorb all the information. When you're more confident, go a bit faster. Take the time to learn each lesson because every lesson is relevant to the next lesson. When you're finished with this course, you should be able to go online, search for any song that you like, and you should be able to be in a position to play some of the song, or all of the songs. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy the course.